Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot, your medium.com digital marketing coach. Today I'm going to show you how to add your featured image for your medium stories. So right now, if you see, I want to change the featured image for this medium story, the Discord one, part 30 of 30, this image, because it's already being shown in the custom thumbnail, and because medium has changed the way it looks, I'm able to change this picture, this cover image. I'll go back, I've already removed it, and search for the image for inbuilt in unsplash, and edit this cover image instead. So after doing this step, I'll hover my mouse over to these three dots, click it, and click change featured image. Now it's browsing, and they have given me a selection, so I'll choose it, choose this one, and click done. Once it's done, my friends, I click save and publish. As you can see, my friends, the featured image have been changed to this one, this red keyboard, and now I'll check it on my profile page as well if it has changed or not. Let me see. I'll scroll my mouse downwards and see if my featured image has changed or not. Yes, it has. It's looking much better, professional. Now it has changed to this. So thanks for watching, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care, my friends.